Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Stray Kids with After You. Great song, uplifting, we love that. You can do it on guitar as well. And you can see him starting out on a guitar, this song, so that's great. Before we move on with this tutorial, I want to highlight my new channel. It's called Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. We have a link up here somewhere. You can go and click on that one and go and subscribe to that channel. Be a part of that family. I need your help, guys, to grow that and have the motivation to basically continue with that new channel. A new way of learning songs. You're gonna play them from A to Z, chords shown on the screen. Just follow along and play with me. That's nice. Thank you so much for your support. Now, let's focus on this sweet song. Well, it's K-ball, very high up on the 9th fret. Why? Because we want to highlight the chords as easy as possible, okay? So that's one thing, but also if you want to match with the sound, the actual sound of the song, this is the way to go. Now, let's start with the chords. 4 chords that just rolls in the same way. We have the A minor, starting out, goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. C next, very easy transition to C. Third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G. That will be third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. If you think it's too much here, it's close up to your guitar body, then the bass strings are important. You can actually skip for this specific song the last high E down there if you want to. The bass is the important thing here. And then we have finally the F, which is a bar chord. You place the index finger on the first fret, you push down all strings here, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. That's the chord progression. A minor, C, G, and F. Let's start with the melody first. That's exactly how the song starts. It goes like this. Okay, so A minor part, you're gonna play open A, then first B, and then the clap. Then comes the C part, you're gonna play the third A together with open high E, and then the clap. And then comes the G part. You're gonna play the third fret E string on the E in the bass, then the open B, and then the clap. And you're gonna finish off with the F, which is to play the first fret E string in the bass together with the second G and the clap. Very simple, guys. So slowly like this. Alright, that's the melody. Now into the strumming. So this goes a bit faster. We have a 2-part strumming, so we're going to play A minor part 1 and C part 2, and together they make up for one full string round. So let's look into that transition, A minor to C. You're going to play A minor part 1 like this. So it's 1 down first, and then up down. So down, up, down. Then you switch to C. You just go up with that finger you're using, a ring finger on the second fret G string up to the third fret A. That's it. And you're going to play part 2, which goes down, a short pause, and then up, down, 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 up. So down, up, down, 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 up. That's it. So down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. And then you use the same pattern here for the next 2 chords. The G, part 1, in the same way as A minor, down, up, down. And then F, part 2, in the same way as C, down, up, down, 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 up. So, slowly. Okay, so 1 full round. That's it, guys. After You, that's the title of this cool song. So thank you for watching, guys. Till next time, play tuned.